Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver on the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Axe app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Here in this section we scroll down again and tap on accessibility, display and languages. Here at the bottom we find data usage, we tap on that, and here at the top we find the data saver. If you tap this on, tap on this, the amount of data that the app is going to use is going to be limited, thereby decreasing the data usage that we have. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.